Number 1. AirTags. First, let's get to what are AirTags. Apple AirTags or AirTags are small tracking tiles with Bluetooth connectivity that can be used to find lost items. So these AirTags will have built-in chips that will allow them to connect to an iPhone to track location of missing Apple devices. From rumors and leaks, we know that they are small circular white tags with an Apple logo on it. AirTags will show up in a new items tab that will be available in the Find My app. These tags will show up on a map and will have an address listed on it where they can be tracked to. Rumors also say they will be able to work even long distance and we can even set boundaries. They will also be waterproof with replaceable batteries. Well, there is no official release date of AirTags though. Rumors confirm that they will release it in late 2021 and will be launched for iOS 13 and for later versions of iOS 13 with internal inbuilt. These are just rumors though, but let's see what the future holds. Number 2. Nintendo Switch Pro. Now Nintendo Switch 2 is a tantalizing concept. A higher spec or simply an all-new Nintendo console would be almost guaranteed to sell as well as the original one. The latest rumors indicate that the new Switch will be a 4K capable model with a smooth 60 FPS gaming on the go. The news reports that the new version of Nintendo's popular hybrid console could be arrived by early 2021. There is no official price set for Nintendo's Switch, but it seems safe to assume that it'll almost cost $400 or something. The rumors say that the specs would be such that there would be a custom Nevada Tegra Xavier processor, a 64GB SSD, 4K video support, and 2 USB-C ports, and would be TV-only console with a mini LED display. Who knows what awaits for Nintendo in 2021 now that the next generation PS5 and Xbox Series X consoles are out in the wild. It seems like the opportunity to unveil the future for the Switch as the year is only starting. It seems like it's only a matter of time until we finally have some more information about the Nintendo Switch Pro. But if the Nintendo 2Ds and 3Ds have shown anything in the past, we can expect to see even more iterations of Nintendo's hybrid consoles. There weren't any indications that the company would want to jump on the next generation wagon with the launch of the PS5 and Xbox Series X, but we didn't get any related announcements either. This matches what Nintendo President Shuntaro Furukawa shared during a financial briefing earlier, and seems like it's going to continue as is for the foreseeable future. So yeah, stay tuned for more updates on this. Number 3. OnePlus Smartwatch. OnePlus has been teasing to launch a smartwatch for a very long time, and according to the OnePlus Health app, the Chinese smartphone maker may release smartwatches. One of them will have a circular dial and will bear the model number WS01GB, whereas the second watch with model number W301GB will sport a square-shaped dial. They will run in-house software, therefore it may not have support for third-party applications. OnePlus is yet to officially announce the launch date of the OnePlus Watch, but the company's CEO Pete Lau has revealed that it will be released in early 2021. The company hasn't revealed much about it, so yeah, I guess we need to wait. Subscribe my channel for more tech and shits. And thanks for watching. See you later.